As a student, there is a lot of anxiety about extremely high cut-offs. Since this is a widespread concern among many students, I would like to talk about the profitable fields that you can pursue after completing your 10 plus 2, that is your 12th. After you have done your 12th, you can go for a BBA degree, which is one of the best thing that you can go for after completing your 12th grade. Let me talk about the few reasons why I said so. BBA gives you exposure that matters owing to the nature of the degree. Most students make their way directly to the marketing and strategic teams. This will help you gain good exposure to market trends and strategic decisions making. All of what you will learn will help you build a stronger business acumen, which is the ability to make splendid decisions that will benefit the company's success rate. These skills will vastly help you stand out in the eyes of the hiring employers, giving you a broader opportunity to pursue a successful career. So, after 12th, you can go for a BBA degree, which is often in demand. Let's talk about BBA eligibility criteria in India. You need to have certain qualifications if you want to pursue BBA. There are other factors as well, but they may differ from colleges to college and university to university. However, this is the criteria that you need to fulfill to get admission in business administration, that is bachelor's in business administration. BBA degree eligibility criteria in India is like you need to be 12th pass from a recognized board of education. You need to have a minimum of 50 percentage score to get admission in any normal colleges in India. That also depends on the college and university you are seeking admission in. So percentage may vary. Many BBA colleges also have entrance exams for admission to the BBA course. You need to clear these entrance exams. Here are some help on how you can choose the right specialization if you are planning to pursue a BBA. Make a list of specialization. Make a list of all the specializations available in the college or university of your choice and make a list of these specialization. It is important to start with the right information to make an informed decision. Do your research. Do a thorough research on each specialization. Check out things like course fees, employment potential, the market value of the degree, starting salaries, how the placement of the college is. This will help you to narrow down your choices to just a few, which will help you to select your area of specialization. Now decide upon the pros and cons of the remaining choices. Make a list of pros and cons of the specialization. This will further clear up the picture for you and you will know which is the best one to choose from. It will also make your goal clear and give you clarity to select your specialization. Choose specialization according to your interest and skill set. There must be a specialization that you like or are curious about. So take your own choice and feelings into consideration as well, because this specialization will decide your upcoming career path. So without further delay, let's see what are the top specialization in BBA and know its scope and career prospects. So please watch complete video. Let's talk about BBA in banking and insurance. What is it about? Bachelor of Business Administration in Banking and Insurance makes a student aware of the concepts and fundamentals used in banking and insurance sectors. The degree course focuses on the basic management concepts and provides specialized training in the following subject: international banking and insurance, risk management, treasury operations, project and infrastructure. Now, what are the benefits of the course? Now, let's see the scope and career prospects. Jobs available in BBA banking and insurance can be as an investment banker, insurance manager, administrative officer, agent and broker, credit and risk manager, investment analyst, asset manager, customer service representative, internal auditor, loss control specialist, recovery agent, stock analyst, treasurer, and many more. Let's talk about BBA in Human Resource. What is it all about? Bachelor of Business Administration in Human Resource Management is one of the most popular courses. The course is a combination of general management techniques and expert training in personal management human resource. What are the benefits of this course? High possibility of establishing a successful career in HR departments of well-known companies. The course content is always updated. This keeps the student well informed about the current market trends. The HR department is one of the most looked highly upon departments, and it plays a vital role in creating the corporate policies of a company. Girls are very much fascinated about this kind of job. So, if you would like to make your career in human resource, then BBA in HR is a right choice for you. Now let's talk about the scope and career prospects in BBA Human Resource. HR Executive Personal Manager, HR Manager, PR Manager, HR Consultant, IT Recruiter Recruitment Consultant, Trainee Human Resource Management, Product Development Executive, Development Manager, Production Manager, Regional Manager, Quality Assurance, Quality Control Manager. So there are no dearth of job if you are pursuing your BBA in HR. If you would like to upgrade, then you can also do your MBA in HR. Afterwards, if you would like to do a study in research or would like to join any institute where you would like to teach as a professor, then PhD in management in HR will be an added benefit. Nothing in this world exists if there is no marketing. So BBA in marketing is one of the most preferred subject. What is it all about? Bachelor of Business Administration in Marketing is yet another popular course among the student, wherein they study about market research and analysis, pricing, product designing, selling and distribution, promotion, advertising, marketing concepts. So, BBA in Marketing is a right choice. Let's talk about the benefits of the course. Marketing is a crucial business activity. Due to this, there is a provision of numerous job opportunities. It provides a rewarding career, a decent pay packages, and numerous job profiles. So, if you are doing your BBA in marketing, it is a right choice for you. BBA in Marketing is a branch of management that deals with the concepts of business management. It acquaints the student to marketing theories and principles to prepare them for the industry. The first 4 semesters covers subjects common to all programs in BBA. Now let's talk about the scope and career prospects after you have pursued your BBA in marketing. So the jobs available in BBA marketing are Marketing Executive, Brand Manager, Product Manager, Marketing Manager, Advertising Manager, Marketing Communication Manager, Sales Manager, Marketing Research Analyst. Now let's talk about BBA in Foreign Trade. BBA in Foreign Trade, what is it all about? This undergraduate business management course teaches students about foreign trade or international trade. Here, students gain knowledge about the exchange of goods, capitals, and services. The subjects which are taught in this specialization are principles of business management, mathematics and statistics, economics, industrial relation, foreign trade policy, marketing management, including financial management. The benefits of the course are that the students can try out their hands at various jobs related to commerce, banking, trade, accounting, and many. Job available in BBA Foreign Trade are Sales and Marketing, Finance Manager, Brand Manager, Market Resource Executive, Business Development Manager, Retail Manager, Export Manager, Supply Chain Manager, Material Manager, and many more. Now let's talk about the scope and career prospect after pursuing BBA in IT. So the jobs which are available in market after you have done your BBA in IT could be application programmer, information systems manager, computer information specialist, business intelligence manager, information security coordinator, graphic designer, information architect, hardware and network expert, information technologist, web designer, maintenance technician. So if you have done your BBA in information and technology, it will give you an excellent opportunity to excel in this digital world. So please go ahead and choose BBA in IT as a career option.